Fridge. Not long after, a few days later, I went to the fridge, saw our jug in there. What's in it? A syrup. Yes, here we go again. Lift the jug and fill my mouth with that thick, sweet juice. And I sit there waiting for the poop to come out. But it was absolutely stuck. After a few months of this, I was starving. All I had for breakfast was 1 apple and 15 raisins.
Okay, I said okay. Yeah, okay.
I put my face behind my brother's butt. And I sit there waiting for the poop to come out. Anyway, after a few hours of this, I said, this is a big waste of money. I went to the fridge, saw our jug in there, and I thought, what's in it? A syrup. What syrup? Smell it. Smells nice. Finger in, lick it. Tastes nice. Lift the jug and drink a bit. Oh, this is good. This is
nice.
It was then I noticed the woman opposite. She was watching me. She looked like she had never seen anything quite so horrible in all her life. No breathing. No breathing. No breathing. Out. School prison. Not long after, a few days later, I went to the fridge, saw our jug in there. What's in it? A syrup. What syrup? Smell it. Oh yes, this is potato again. Lift the jug and drink some more, and drink some more. Drink the lot. Not long after, a few days later, I went to the fridge, saw our jug in there. What's in it? A syrup. Yes, here we go again. Lift the jug and fill my mouth with that thick, sweet juice.